Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup code with Visual Studio Code Git extensions. Open Visual Studio Code and ensure you have your project folder open. If you haven't already, install the Git extension for Visual Studio Code. You can do this by navigating to the extensions view by clicking on the extensions icon in the sidebar. Search for Git in the extensions marketplace. Once you find it, click on the install button. After installation, close the extensions view to return to your project. If your project is not already a Git repository, you need to initialize it. Open the integrated terminal by selecting View from the top menu and then clicking on Terminal. In the terminal, type git init and press enter. This command creates a new Git repository. Now, let's add your files to the staging area. In the terminal, type git add and press enter. This command stages all the files in your project for committing. You can view the Git changes by clicking on the source control icon in the sidebar. You will see all files that have been modified or added since the last commit. Next, you'll want to commit these changes. In the terminal, type git commit m initial commit and press enter. Make sure to replace initial commit with a message that explains the changes you've made. To back up your code to a remote repository, you'll need to create one on a platform such as GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. After creating a remote repository, copy the repository URL provided by the platform. Back in Visual Studio Code, add the remote repository using the terminal. Type git remote add origin, repository URL, replacing repository URL with the copied URL. To verify that the remote has been added successfully, type git remote v and press enter. Now, it's time to push your code to the remote repository. In the terminal, type git push u origin master and press enter. If this is your first push, you'll be asked to enter your credentials. Once authenticated, your code will be backed up to the remote repository. To make regular updates, remember to repeat the staging, committing, and pushing steps after making changes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.